Hey guys, Dirk Bonzani, Harper Porsche here in Knoxville, Tennessee. Wanted to show off this very rare occasion where I get a GTS Coupe in here. The last one lasted for about 6 hours on the showroom floor, and that was the end of it. So I think this one will be about the same. So check availability on our website at harperporsche.com for pricing, details. Specs are on about 5 photos in, and in-service dates and certification, all those things. So harperporsche.com will take you there. These videos, I just put them up and kind of leave them up for reference. A lot of people like to watch them and listen to the exhaust and whatnot, and we appreciate the comments and everything. This example, 2021 Cayenne GTS Coupe. This has the lightweight package, one of my favorites, with the central exhaust, carbon fiber, you'll see on the roof there, and of course the standard sport exhaust that everybody loves so much. I'm gonna put the camera back there and rev it up a little bit so you can hear it. This car is in excellent condition, definitely been taken care of. And here's a quick walk around as well. I'll put that in the video too. I'll kind of mix it up. So thank you guys for watching. Feel free to subscribe if you like. I do walk around videos all the time. They're all kind of random. Feel free to comment if you got any questions. And it's Derek Bonzani at Harper Porsche, 865-934-2828. Our hours are listed on our website as well as all of our information. Thank you so much.